All right, Josie. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna laser cut this. Of course, that's the outside shape. This inside guide, all that gray line is like a guideline for you to glue it. So you're gonna laser cut it. You're gonna put it on the bottom, somewhere flat, like a table, like the white table or something. All right, and then you're going to do the letters. You're gonna start gluing, and you're gonna start with the letters, and you're gonna start with this little inside part. Put that right here. You're gonna guide it right there. Okay, you're gonna glue that. So you're gonna have to glue it. You're gonna put the little glue piece on the white before you put it on there, and you align it hella carefully. That's number one. That has to be hella aligned, like right on that guide. All right, and then I'm not sure which works next. Probably this S is best to do it, but you probably need to wait a little bit for that white one to dry up before you put this in. And then you line it hella good here. Okay. Remember, of course, to put the glue underneath there. And then probably this one next. That's probably a good one there. You're going to guide it right there. Align it perfectly using the guidelines with the glue underneath. And then you're going to put the glue underneath this piece and put it right there. All right. Boom. That's the first part. So you're going to have the black acrylic and then the white acrylic on top of it. Next up, you're going to get the red color cut that you did here. Notice the details around the S. And then you're going to guide it into that first oval. Boom. And then you're going to glue it right underneath there. Try to make sure you don't see any glue marks coming out. So practice your glue skills. All right. Notice there's no black acrylic there. It's just kind of like a gap where you're going to see the black through it. So I think it's going to look hella cool. Last piece, you're going to get this outer gold glitter acrylic, and then you're going to put it right over it. That one's going to be kind of tight. It's going to be a little tight fit. So just make it aligned, and then boom. When everything's done, said and done, you have two layers, the black layer, and then everything else is one layer. It's just glued next to each other. So make sure you do it in that order. Number one is this. Number two, the S. Number three, the bottom F. Number four, the side F. Number five, the red. Number six, the gold. Okay? And then see how long it takes to dry each one? And then at the end, when everything is hella dry and nice, you might want to actually, after everything is done, somehow put something flat on top of it, like a book or something, to just keep it flat and nice and not like things sticking out and shit. And then when we're done with that, then we can put the little hole on here, okay? Because I know this is a older version, but there's a version. This is a new. This is the version you're actually gonna cut, and I did this here. So that's where you're gonna put the jump ring hole. So I did this extra thing here to keep it strong. All right, Josie. Hope it looks good. Send me a picture as soon as you got it. But you're gonna start with the wood prototype, and for that, you're going to yeah. I guess you should just know, you know what your wood pieces are, but yeah, the first prototype is just gonna be wood, all of this shit, but wood. All right, but you're just practicing the alignment, you're practicing the manufacturing, and you're practicing your process. Okay, so this is the wood part is okay to fuck up a little bit with the gluing, but you're gonna get better each time. I want you to do like maybe 3 or 4 or 5 wood prototypes. And then also one thing, it'd be good to figure out what to do with, this is the gold that you're going to cut out. It's just this little oval of gold. I think we can do something on the inside here. So using this material here, instead of it being trash, maybe we can put just the SF letters just the SF letters. We can just put it on there. So it'll be kind of like, it'll look kind of like this, but it'll be the SF letters. So that's an idea. Or even maybe we can leave. Oh shit. All right. Sorry.